Welcome in, everybody. We're gonna start right off with a shot of Daisy here. All right. And then we're gonna move to Tiny. It's not a bad shot of Tiny. Doesn't. Good boy, Tiny. Elvis, the shepherd here. I told you guys before he don't like being on camera, but he's not doing too bad at the moment here. Yeah. Daisy. This is the swamp here. Oh, lots of swamp land here in front of me. Come on. We are in the swamp now. So when you go on the walking trail, all right, on the edge of the swamp, what happens is lots of bugs, lots and lots of bugs. Tiny, come on. Lots and lots of bugs here. That's all right. Just trying to give you guys a good shot as we move along. I got Elvis in the front, Tiny in the back. Trying to get a good shot of the swamp for everybody. When it gets really dry in the middle of the summer, you can get through this a little bit. Get through here a little bit, but not all the way through. Keep going, buddy. So this swampland here, nothing exciting going on. Just me and my 3 dogs and lots of bugs. Beyond that, nothing terribly exciting here. Lots of wildlife. You hear the frogs, you hear the birds. It's hard to really get in here and get through to give you guys a better shot of the place. But it's kind of just nasty old swampland. It smells like swamp, it looks like swamp. We're in southeastern Massachusetts. I'm gonna get you guys a good shot. So that's Elvis the shepherd. This is Tiny the pug and Daisy the lab. What you do is hold the camera steady for you, which I'll try to do more often. That's when you need to have a good look and see if you see anything, or see if you hear anything. Okay? Get a lot of requests for me to come here and film at night. Maybe we'll come at night. The weather gets a little warmer. It's going to be a horrible place for bugs at night. Horrible. It's literally like just old swampland, like you see in a movie or something. So it's going to be gross at night. And so not just me. I got to worry about the dogs too, you know. So I got to be careful. So please join me on my other channels also. Join me at Crypto Mike 9000. for Bitcoin focused cryptocurrency talk. Join me on Patreon. On Patreon, it's Crypto Mike 01. Join me on the Health, Fitness, and Nutrition channel, Healthy Life 2 on YouTube. And on Spotify, the podcast is Crypto Talk with Mike. And this one, we're obviously going to talk about strange paranormal happenings in southeastern Massachusetts. Okay? I'm going to go all over. It's going to be focused on the Bridgewater Triangle, but we're not always going to be in the triangle. I'll try to give you the exact locations when I can, and if I'm not in the triangle, I'll be just outside the triangle, because this is our area where we go. I mean, it's a huge area, it goes forever. Just goes and goes. You walk for days out here, I think. When I say it's our area, it's not like I know the place well. It's just generally our area. So what I'll do is I'll get you as much footage as I can. I'll give you exact locations when I can. And I'll point out strange things as they happen. Any wildlife I see that's interesting for you, I will point out. All right, you see this little edge of the swamp goes down in here. You could kayak down this from the main drag in the bogs, but I don't. It would be hard right now because there's a lot of trees down in this area here stopping you. A lot of them. There's my dogs leading the way. All right, I'll shut this down in just a moment here. Getting to a point where it's getting to be thick. It's going to be hard for you to see any of this on video, I think. Tiny. Hold on, Elvis, wait. Bringing up the rear. I don't know if you can hear the raindrops. It's starting to rain a little bit here. Strange weather lately. It's bright, sunny, and warm, and then it switches right over to cold and rainy. That's what it's like this time of year around here. Before you know it, summer will be here and it will just be hot every day. Hold on. A couple quick shots and I'm going to shut this down on you. Here's a good shot. You can probably see the raindrops dropping in the little pond here. I guess that's being charitable, calling it a pond, right? But we've got ourselves walking trails here. And we could walk these trails pretty much forever, I think. You could just walk all day. All right. Yeah, one last shot of these dogs. Elvis, no. Hey, no. And we'll shut this down. All right. Thanks everyone for joining. Don't forget to join me on Patreon, Crypto Mike 01. Thank you all.